Welcome back to another backtesting session video. Today's day 14. Yeah, been 2 weeks, kind of crazy, but yeah, very crazy. Time is flying, and honestly, yeah. Sorry, I had to move that. What is making that noise? There we go. So, yeah, bullish bias. Simple as that. Very shitty price action. Happens. Just try to be patient and sit out for when it's bad and just play when it's good. So, let's go to open. This is currently open right now. Like I said, very bad price action, but it is what it is. So yeah. Okay. SMT at these lows, kind of why we're pumping. But okay, swept out this. Just see us continuing up. Okay, not the best. So we'll see. Probably gonna come lower. Yep. Okay. Get rid of this SMT. Honestly, like I said, not good price action, but we should definitely see this come lower here. And possibly let that be a turtle soup. So honestly, I might take this 15-minute. Like I said, I like trying new things. So 15-minute with 30-point stop loss, and honestly target this unfilled new week open gap. It is a Monday. We had news at 8 a.m. So hopefully this doesn't rail us. But yeah, placing this order, see what we do. Okay, swept out internal lows. Don't want to be in that trade no more. And yeah, like I said, bad price action. I don't know where we want to go. No clear drawn liquidity, and yeah, tap that new week opening gap, like I said. But doesn't seem like we want to continue lower. Okay, that is fine, or continue higher. So we'll just take shorts to downside. Okay, making sure there's no SMT. Okay. Okay, doesn't want to go short no more. Okay, so now see what we do at this 15-minute gap. Okay. Not liking any of this. And another dump. Okay. Another dump without retracing to the 15-minute gap. We did have SMT there, so we'll see if we get an entry model. No, it wasn't even an entry model, but yeah, looks like we want to dump and dump and dump. And honestly, the only point of reversal is probably an SMT. So, okay, manipulating higher, tapping this 5-minute gap. Let's see if there's any more liquidity to the downside. Yeah, we have lows here. Let's see if ES took them. So we actually have SMT here. So I do think we could continue lower. Okay, tap the first fair value gap, which is the most volatile. And there's no entry model, so I want to see this manipulate one more time. Okay, manipulate it up. Okay, it should be a 2-minute. No, 1 minute. Not liking that either. Let's see if we get 30-second. Okay, 30-second looks clean. Actually just closed below. So yeah, I'll take this to these lows. Place order. Yeah, tapped. Break even would be Nothing really. Should get going to the downside to move down. Obviously I'll be break even. Okay, so yeah, I'll be break even here, and we have SMT at these highs, lows. I mean, and ES is moving a lot quicker now, so it's like ES is trying to catch up. So NQ should follow. Okay, break even. Yeah. So unlucky, but yeah, definitely gonna go to my draw liquidity. We could manipulate back up again. That'd be cool. Currently 1 p.m. so it's currently PM session. So we'll see if we have a trade. But I doubt it, considering we kind of dropped crazy amounts of points. But pretty strong draw liquidity. Okay, boom, tapped it. Just bad price action had to stop me out before going. So yeah. Swept out again. This is now SMT. Okay. Yeah, definitely nothing for the rest of the PM session. So now we're flipping bearishly. Okay. Crazy pump up with no retracement. Crazy pump down with some retracement. So kind of now leaning bearish. Okay. So see if we're reacting off a weekly. Okay, weekly gap, daily gap, first gap or second gap. Kind of weak. Okay, so we could definitely neutral. See what price gives us. Okay, bias is, like I said, you shouldn't be hard stuck on a bias. That's how you get tunnel visioned. Okay, manipulating into this 15-minute swept equal highs. Okay, might want to take this to the upside. Reacting off this 4-hour rejection wick. Pretty much 50% of it. Yeah. So we get a nice close above this 1 minute. I want to see price move back up. Okay, disrespecting it. So it looks like it wants me to move down. Okay, let's see if there's any SMT. Like I said, pretty bad price action. Keeps on hunting me, man. Keeps on hunting me. Can never leave me alone. So yeah, definitely don't want to be in the trade here. Okay. Would have got entered perfectly, but it's not liking how price moves, as it's probably gonna be a break even. Yeah, there it is. So yeah. Not a good price action. Can't do anything about it. See if you want to respect this 5 minute. Okay, pretty obvious gap that we inverse. Clearly stating that we don't want to go lower. Inversed. Okay, not changing state. Okay, making a lower low. So definitely wants to sweep out this. So play it. Okay, swept that out, and to the downside we go. Okay. Still looks like obvious manipulation. Currently 11 a.m. Let's see if we get a good movement to the downside here. Okay, swept again. Very bad price action. Clear drawn liquidity, but there's no strong deliveries. Okay, so that is why I'm saying, not good price action. So currently at 12 p.m. So gonna play this out. We do have equal lows here, no SMT at these lows, so possibly manipulate into this 4-hour gap. and then maybe just move down, or just start pumping and just leave those for a treat later on in price. Okay, swap that out. Looks like we want a 4-hour gap to be traded. Okay, now currently retracing, no entry models. Unless now we do have this 4-hour. Where's 1 minute? Did I already miss it? Yeah, kind of already missed it. Plus, I want to see this. Don't know what we're doing. See if there's S&T. Want us to sweep one more time before dumping. Pretty obvious that we're gonna dump, and I won't be able to trade it. Okay. So yeah, that's today. Very poor delivery, both ends. Man, look at this 4-hour. You know, I do believe that God gives his toughest soldiers his toughest battles, because man, I'm just getting set and put into bad price action day after day after backtesting after live sessions. Man, just getting beat right now. Life is beating me up right now, I'm gonna be honest. But whatever. Okay, 9:30 open. Nothing much to it. We swept out this low. That was pretty obvious. Currently moving back up. Open is manipulating higher. Not total manipulation, and might be another no trade day. Okay, 4 hours manipulating lower into, I want to see us tap this 15 minute. See there's S&T. Okay, so S&T, let's see if we start reversing. Okay, and you tapped it. And once again, just not good price action. All these wicks. It's got to be some sort of news. Presidential debate. Could be a reason why. Not sure, but definitely just no bueno. No bueno price action. Definitely a POI for us to reverse. And then now it's 11 a.m. So, yeah, man. Okay, so it looks like now we want to dump. Once again, it is 11:30, so price is probably not going to do what I want it to do. So I'm going to skip the PM session. Okay, currently PM session. Man. I feel like every video I just complain about price action. But you see it for yourself, man. When I'm getting trades in my sessions, I'm never complaining about, bad price action. But when I do complain about bad price action, it's because it's for a reason. Okay. It's 3:15, but at this point, I was trying to find a trade for you guys. Yeah, let's just see if this works. Okay. Break even would be SMT at this internal low. Okay, break even. Finally dumping like we were supposed to. And honestly, if we don't sweep out these equal lows and I get break even or some sort, I'll be so impressed. Okay. If that didn't hit, I really didn't know what I was gonna do, bro. Horrible price action. But yeah. One break even, one W. Let's see where we're at. Time 16 minutes. Definitely short one. I'll keep on trading. Felt like I just did 30 minutes, but I just not. Okay. Just take a look at this. Okay. LOL. Take a look at this. LOL. Take a look at all this. Enough complaining. I know you guys don't want to, not here to hear me complain, but I need a badge. Back what I'm saying, okay? So I don't sound like a complete pussy, but let's go to the next day, bro. Okay. Thursday, presidential debate. It's 2020, so Biden. Once again, not really seeing anything I like. No open jabs with his hourly that we could possibly manipulate into. Okay, manipulate into hourly. Good reaction. See if we could get nice close above here. Okay, manipulated again. Okay, dumping. Zoom out. That's where we're trying to go. Okay. Swept it all. Daily gap. Let's see if we can tap this daily gap or create SMT. So it created SMT with actually this gap as well a long time ago. Okay. Yeah, I doubt there's gonna be anything rest of the day, but at least we're moving. Let's see if we get a 15-minute retracement. Currently 11 a.m. though. So let's try the next day. Okay, complete back to chop. Okay, manipulating down. Tap this 5-minute. No entry models. So clearly want to go short. Okay, yes, tap this 5-minute right here. So we have SMT at this high. We have an entry model right here. Tap the 15-minute. No entry models. If we just created a gap right here, would have been a nice setup, but not gonna get what I want. So yeah, I'm trying to find one more trade for you guys, but wow. New week opening gap right here. Currently Monday. If there's no news, I'm definitely skipping that. You know what? Everyone would think no news Monday would have bad price action, but considering the whole week, might as well trade no news Monday, honestly. The fuck? Watch, this should be a very clean day, okay? Manipulate this new week opening gap, boom. Find a short to downside, actually moving very well. Okay, manipulate one more time, SMT, boom. Have our entry model, start moving down. No, I did not mean to split that, bro. Okay. Okay, moving up, still manipulating up. See, we get an inverse. Okay, clearly not wanting to change state, and honestly, clear manipulation. Or not. Wow, okay. Just couldn't get it. Man, I'm getting tested, bro. I'm trying so hard to, not, just completely just start complaining at all times, but wow. God has been testing me these past few days. Okay, like I said, trying to find another trade for you guys, but not in the right headspace to be trading, backtesting, any of that. But still gotta do what I gotta do. Not bitch made, but yeah, definitely my headspace right now. Got other shit going on. Like I said in the last video, just normal life shit, bro. Okay, but still trying to produce for you guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. Manipulated it lower into nothing. What time is it? This could look good. Too much into premium, didn't even close above. So, see what we want to do. Okay, market swept out open highs. Currently in a downtrend. Okay, there is equal highs here. And ESMT. Okay, so there's pretty much equal highs as here as well. Swept out this low. Yeah, honestly, looks good for longs. Kind of early in the market though, so I'm gonna let it play out. Okay, complete decorrelation with both NQ and ES. There's currently SMT at those equal highs. accumulation. Okay, manipulate it down. Let's see what ES is doing. Tap in this rejection block, pretty much equal highs here. Tap in this 5-minute gap though. Okay, so we get 2-minute entry. I'll be honest, I might just call it a day. Sorry, not sorry. I'm giving you guys still a video, but yeah, just I'm honestly not in the right headspace. Nothing, just life shit, bro. So 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 W. Bad tested maybe like 2 weeks, got basically nothing. Bad price action, but yeah, simple as that. See you guys tomorrow. Hoping for better days, honestly, but yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys stay safe, trade smart, and yeah, that is the video. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.